Yeah, Governor, speaking to you.
Daktari, how are you? Where do you stay?
Sorry?
Where do you stay?
I stay in Kisii town, but right now we are in a training at the Eldoret.
Eldoret.
Yeah.
Can you get me somebody in the lab? The gentleman you have at the lab is drunk, and the gentleman is smokes bangi.
Yeah.
You can't have this kind of people in the lab.
No, actually, I've seen it's like, maybe they are starting to give it, allowing it to do night duties. But I've seen, I've heard it's just a drunkard. We are going to change that and cover immediately.
Can you do something right now that you bring somebody tonight?
Yeah.
I'm relieving him his duties now.
Exactly, Chief. Governor.
Kwa hivyo, look for somebody to come and take over.
Yep.
Na huyu jamaa aende nyumbani. Wewe, huyu mtu aende nyumbani.
Yes, Your Excellency.
Yeah, let him go for rehabilitation.
Yes, Your Excellency.
And Daktari will explain to me that this person has been here for 5 months. Now,
Yes.
you have been seeing him, that he's a drunkard, he smokes bangi.
No, it's one way that it's actually could be a new guy. We have almost eliminated most of the drunkard. Some clinic officers used to drink alcohol, but we chased them, all of them.
No, this one is in the lab. This gentleman, what is your name? Oboy. Oboy came from Ichuni, isn't it?
Yeah.
Masibi.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kwa hivyo wewe make sure wewe tafuta mtu saizi tuma akuje hapa na huyu Mungu anaende nyumbani.
Yes, Governor.
Yeah, and action will be taken.
Yes, sir. Yes, Excellency.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Governor.
Wendu wewe funga hiyo nini lab, mwingine akuja achukue. Wait, mzee. Tafadhali msikubali this kind of things we cannot accept. Yeah? People they have bestowed all the trust in us. You know, this is a big shame.
Sure it is.
Yeah?
Yes.
Nani, twende. Funga hapo.
Yes.
Simu yako umebeba?
Chako mata bandani.
Hata simu hauna?
Hauna simu? Sasa.
Oboy, unakaa wapi? Oboy, unakaa wapi? Masibi. Haya, tutahakikisha umepata tutatafuta pikipiki ndio ufike nyumbani salama. Sasa, lakini wacha pombe ndugu. This is a big shame.
It's so shameful, and I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. I'm very sorry.
Ndugu bwana, hii ni mbaya bwana. Assume kwamba if I didn't come here. Tunatokea pande gani?
Side of patient.
Oboya.
Kwa nyuma na mtu anakuaje unaona kutoka hata kuandikisha picha.
You are in charge of life now. You don't know around. You can see
See what's happening, but just came in, and then went straight to the lab because I was busy with my turn down there. And when the rest of the guy was drunk.
well, unahakikisha jamaa amefika kwake nyumbani. Sawa sawa. Aende nyumbani. Then we can have this thing. Well, you have a hobby? Yes, sir. Hobby?
Factory for us.
No. If you have a small family, you cannot take care of it well. Bibi yako anafanya nini?
Nyumbani. Hata nyumbani.
Nyumbani. Anafanya nini? Ana kazi. Sasa wewe badala ya kutafuta bani, hii pesa unamtafutia bwana. Na wewe ni mtu umesoma. Hata unaona Unaona vile pombe imefanya. No, it's wrong. Make sure kwamba muungano mcheni basi salama. Sasa wakati utawacha pombe, utarudi, utaniambia, nitaambiwa umewacha.
Come to the office tomorrow. Yes, at 8.
We can't accept. Haya, you know what, and this is the place where there is a lot of trouble. Hapa ndio hata watu wanadanganya, and I've gotten everything. Dr. Monda is the training. Wacha kwanza endelea kushughulikia wagonjwa. Sawa. Haimo wako. Umepewa transport? Wewe uko na hakika utapanda pikipiki hiyo ama utakunywa tena pombe? Umepewa pesa ngapi? 200. Ya, utafika nayo kwa nyumba. Eh? Kesho kwenda kwa ofisi tushughulike hiyo maneno. Kama kaka. Konya wa mraba baba. Eh? Tangu ndio kama mwamukonya. Ane kirale kwa kila hapo hiyo. Hapo ni mo. Bali ngomoli mimi. Andaka kwa nyuma marwaya matuka mangi sana. When did you start? You see, this one will cost you. We don't want to throw you into. We want to help you. Go think over it, go to the office, see how it
I've done my part today. I went to the wards. I checked on the patient. I'm very sure the results are responsible.
Do you think you are doing the right thing when you live in Mabutabang? Is that right? If you are intoxicated, how do you serve the people? You know that's very wrong. When do nyumbani na wapi?
Nyumbani nikaenda Marani.
Marani. Sumbuko. Sasa my God, utoke all the way from Sumbuko unakuja unafanya kazi hapa, then unavuta hiyo kitu. Wewe. Nini mmeweka watu hapa wanapika bangi na pombe ndio wako kwa lao? Wewe. Utafunga lab. Hakuna bwana, I'm sure that we're getting very wrong results from inside. Umesoma umefika wapi?
Nilimaliza degree.
Kwa degree mlifundisha that when you are in the lab you must smoke marijuana. Sasa kama umeweka hizi rules na wewe
ya hapo anakuwa waliye chini kwa kumwanga ndio
mwaka njungo ba
mzee ameba
even you have been advised by this old man that you don't smoke bangi. Sinimeingia tu nikaona kwamba you must be smoking.
mwanga ndio mwana mmoja
We have been advising them since that they're taking long to take in whatever piece of advice we are offering. Yeah.
You've been talking to him?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah? the counsel that you have been getting from the elderly and the people who are in charge of the facility, you have never taken it.
How long have you been working?
For the last 5 months.
5 months.
Yes,
Here in Gesusu. Where were you before? Masivi. You were transferred here.
yes.
Sasa wewe alask kesho ama leo kwa sababu siwezi angalia, you can't do these things, you can't continue this, and Dr. Monda will have to answer. He has a person who smokes bangi, who is drunk at work, na nyinyi mko hapa, you are the one in church at night, you have not seen it. Mzee, better for him, he has spoken to you. And he says that the cautions here, all those substances that cannot be taken, and he's the one in charge of the lab.
Zinezipingi kwa nyuma.
Maadhila weekend.
Ya chinko.
Yeah, just
Want action?
apologize before the Excellency.
Tomorrow?
His Excellency.
Eh?
His Excellency.
Mbona? Lazima tumalizane naye. Wewe ndugu,
Yes.
lazima tuonane na wewe kesho. Sasa
Sasa.
si kesho mjana hauko kazi?
Yes.
Hatuwezi kubali hii biashara iendelee namna hii, hata wewe.
Kweli.
Eh? Si ndio?
Your Excellency, sir,
Eh?
with all your due respect, you know, it's gradual. They cannot stop at once. So they need to be rehabilitated,
Yeah.
then they fit into the system.
The best thing is that we will get him, let him be rehabilitated, atukubali, well and good, but he can't be serving as the situation is at the moment.
Sure it is.
What do you expect from the lab? Do you expect anything from the lab?
No, we don't.
Yeah? Hata kama yeye ako na akili yote, and I'm happy that he did a degree in lab, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but you see, when these things they get into you, you can't do anything. Yeah? Now, who will and look for Dr. Monda? Yeah.